Good morning, children. Today, we are going to learn about food label. It is taken from your Year 5 English textbook, page 78. 同学们早上好，今天我们要学的是 food label。请翻开你们的课本第78页，你们可以参考你们的课本。Alright? First of all, what is a food label and when can you see a food label? You can see it on the packaging of your food and it always looks like this. You have the nutritional information, alright? And you can also find a food label on your drinks. You can always find the food label at the back of the packaging. So, what is a food label? A label on a tin of food gives us information about the food. So, in Mandarin, we call it as 食物标签. Alright, now let's look at your textbook. This is the tin food given to you in your textbook, page 78. If we look at a tin, there's the front part and the back part. So, what do we need to check on when we are trying to get a tin food? First of all, look at the name of the product. This is the name of the product, grapefruit sardines. Next, look at the net weight, 就是重量 net weight. Here we have 340 grams for this tin. Next, the price is also shown here. That means this tin cost you 3 ringgit. Alright, this is the front part of the tin. Look at here, we can get the name of the product, the net weight, and the price of the tin. Now, let's go to the back part. At the back part, usually we can see the nutritional information, 就是营养资料. Look at this tin. You have protein, 9 grams. You have calcium, 170 milligrams, and fats, 3 grams. Sometimes you can see a lot of information at the nutritional information part. Next, it will be ingredients, 材料. What are the ingredients used to make this tin food? We have sardines, tomato sauce, and salt. This is something important for many people because they need to check on the ingredients of the food before buying one. Why? Some of the people, they cannot take milk. Some of the people, they cannot take peas. And some of the people, they cannot take salt. So, people always check on the ingredients before buying the food. Next, it will be the manufacturer. So, in the canned food or the tin, it is always stated there, manufactured by, following by the address. Manufactured by 就是谁制作的，制造商是谁，所以呢，这里都会有一个地址。Then, this is something important that you need to check as well, which is the expiry date. Expiry date 就是有效期或者是饮用期。May 2018, that means this tin food is best to be consumed before May 2018. And finally, there will be a bar of serial number where they can trace the product. Alright, remember, at the back of your tin food, You can always see nutritional information, ingredients, the manufacturer, expiry date, and the serial number. Next, go back to your textbook. We have to practice making a food label. In your textbook, you are given a food label with a lot of blanks here. All the choices of answers are given. Alright, please click on the link below and drag the answers into the correct position. That's all for today. Thank you and bye.